guys, welcome to another video. So I've had a parcel come from Varnail and they have been super kind enough to send me quite a few nude coloured gels. Look how it comes wrapped, guys. I love this pink heart bubble wrap. It's so cute. Their packaging is always beautiful. So yeah, they sent a few nude gels. So they've sent 2 gel polishes, Rubber Pink and Cream Almond. They've sent a liner gel, Almond Butter. And they've sent 2 of their solid cream gels, Vanilla Custard and Meringue Rosette. Now I think these might be jelly gel nudes, if I'm not, I'm sure this one is, but I'm not so sure about this one yet. But I'm dying to see what these are like because I'm really enjoying nude jelly gels at the minute. So yeah, these are their kind of cover colours, nudes, nail bed colours, whatever you want to call them. Colours that we all need in our collection. I like to do a lot of French manicure designs and things like that. And yeah, you always need nail bed colours in your collection, don't you? So I'm dying to see what these are like. So today I'm just going to give them a swatch. And then obviously you'll see me using them in upcoming videos. I've got my swatch sticks all set up ready and I've got them all labelled. How cool does that look? So for those of you that's not seen any Varnail videos or heard of Varnail, all of their gel polishes are made without ingredients linked to toxicity. Big 5 free, which are these. I'm not going to try and say them. They're also cruelty free and vegan friendly. Amazing quality gels these are, guys. That's the ingredients there. Hoping you can read that. Cure in an LED light for 30 to 60 seconds and a UV light for 60 to 90 seconds. And they've got a shelf life of 3 years as well. So wait until you see these bottles, guys. They are beautiful. Love their bottles. Look at these. How gorgeous are they? So they ombre from pink to white. Beautiful. Again, you got your ingredients on the back. I love them. Big, massive 15ml bottles as well. They're just beautiful. And you can swatch them in the lid, which I really do like. Because I look down on my gel polishes in a box, it's nice that I can see the colour in the lid. I need to get around to doing that actually. So this one is, and you've got the name of the colour on the bottom. Cream Almond number 25. So let's get it swatched to see what it's like, shall we? Yeah, definitely my kind of nude. Oh, it's beautiful and creamy and opaque. Very, very good start, this one is. These swatch sticks are so annoying. They've got like, on the edges, they've got like a little lip on the edge. That's what I was trying to say. Like that. Definitely my kind of nude colour. A really nice light nude, but it's still got a slight hint of pink. Really, really like that. Beautiful, beautiful colour. So I'm going to give that a cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. So the next one is 014 Rubber Pink. Ooh, this one looks nice as well. So this is more of a pink tone. Again, a really beautiful opaque colour. I like it. Come on, camera, you're really not going to focus today, are you? Yeah, there we go. Really nice pink shade. Next up, we're going to look at the liner gel. So this is colour GA20 Almond Butter. These are also 5 free, cruelty free and vegan friendly as well. So these are going to be great to do a smile line with, aren't they? I might just try doing a smile line with it now. Ooh. That is really, really nice to use. You get a nice super thin line. Look how neat you can get that smile line, guys. Super duper neat. Really like that. I'm gonna fill the rest of the swatch stick in now anyway. I just wanted to show you what it would be like to use to do a nail bed. Oh no. Look at that colour. Again, one of my kind of nude colours. I like it. Right, now we're on to the solid gel polishes. This one is 051 Vanilla Custard. So these come in 5-gram pots. And what I like about these, they come with the lovely pull tab seals instead of them horrible foil seals that you can't get into. Pull that off like that. Ooh, that looks a nice colour. And look at this. This is where you can clean your brush off. Really nice touch, that is. So to swatch these, I pulled out my Varnail oval brush. Yeah, this is definitely a jelly gel. I'm liking these new jelly gels right now. So they give the effect of a builder gel. So that's what it looks like after one coat. It's a really nice kind of milky cream. So I'm going to give that a cure and then we'll take a look at it after 2 coats. And that is what it looks like after 2 coats. I really, really like that. And it's still got that kind of, I'll show you. Still got that transparency there, can you see? So it's still going to give that kind of builder gel effect. So it's a really nice light nude. I like it. And then lastly, we've got colour number 52, Meringue Rosette. Ooh, this is a nice colour. I like this. Yeah, I like that a lot. It's a really, really nice colour. So that's after 1 coat. Ooh, look at that one. I really like that. I can see that is probably going to be my go-to colour when I'm looking for a nude jelly gel. That's a really nice kind of cover colour, base colour. And again, you can see it is still rather transparent. That is a really, really nice shade. Like it. I like all of them. So I'm just going to give them all a top coat and then we're going to come back and take a look at them all side by side. And we'll see what the difference is between them. So that is them all swatched. Look how beautiful all of those colours are. I'm happy with every single one of them. I love them. So I've given them all a coat of the Varnail's tempered top coat on the top half. And I've had to use a different brand matte top coat on the bottom half though, guys, because I haven't got a Varnail matte top coat. I'm going to have to grab one of them actually, because most of you guys know now I do prefer matte nails over shiny. So I could really do with their matte top coat. They're nice, aren't they? So we've got cream almond gel polish, rubber pink gel polish, almond butter liner gel, vanilla custard solid gel, meringue rosette solid gel. And these two are the jelly gels as well. I really like how they give a builder gel effect. So yeah, I'm well happy with them. Thank you so much, Varnail, for sending these out for us to take a look at. So that is just some of the cover colour gels what Varnail's got on their website, guys. I'm going to leave the link to their website pinned in my comments. So if anyone wants to head over and have a look on there, they can. I've also got a 25% off discount code for Varnail, which is GG30. I shall also pin that in my comments as well. I'm going to leave the names to all of these in my description box, just in case you forget any of the names. Again, I want to say a massive thank you to Varnail for sending these out. Thank you so much. I'm going to get so much use out of these. They're going to come in so handy. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.